Hi everyone, Brooke here from Aerie. Today I'm going to demo for you a Canvas app that we built using Microsoft Power Apps. This app is an equipment tracker, and its purpose is to track an organization's equipment. So this could range anywhere from a fleet of vehicles, like our example here, to tools, rental equipment, or anything like that. The possibilities are really endless. Our particular app tracks information from three main categories of equipment data. We track the equipment details, routine maintenance records, and maintenance requests. This data can be sourced from SharePoint lists, Microsoft's Dataverse, or even SQL. So that's the background of the app. Let's dive into how it actually works. So our home screen is a list of all of the equipment items that we have. We can use this search bar to type in a specific name of a piece of equipment that we're looking for, and once we see it, we can click on it. Once we click on an item, we see all the details associated with this item. So this is identifying data such as the name, its location, make, model, year, and things like that. This data corresponds to one of the three data tables I mentioned before. If we want to edit any of this data, we can click on this pencil icon up here, and then this form becomes fillable, and we can update anything here. So if we want to update a location, we can do so, and then press the save icon in the top right corner. Up here, we can click on this See Maintenance Records button. This brings us to a page where we can track routine maintenance. And this is our second data table connected to the app. Each line item is an instance of routine maintenance for this particular piece of equipment. We can select one for more details, and here we can see the criteria, things that were checked, and whether or not they passed, so that would get a good mark, or if something was needed. We can edit this data by clicking the pencil icon once again and changing anything we need to, and then pressing save. Additionally, we can add a new maintenance record. So this brings us to the form where we can insert all of the data that we need and whether or not something was checked, whether it passed, or whether it was good. Once we're done with that, we can save, and then our record is saved to the data table and thus the app. So going back to our main page for our Bobcat E55, we can click on this second button, which is maintenance requests, and this is our third and last data table connected to the app. This is for special maintenance requests that fall outside of the routine maintenance, like if something breaks and needs to be fixed immediately before being deployed. We can track open and closed requests, and we can create a new maintenance request as well by filling out this form. Here we can fill in the name of the equipment, the type of request, issue, status, and request date. We can even attach a file, so if you want to take a picture of the damage for reference, that will always be attached to this maintenance record. You're probably wondering how somebody gets notified of a maintenance request. And so this is where another tool, another Microsoft tool comes in called Power Automate. And we can create a flow very easily that will connect to this app and send out an email anytime a new record is created in this table. So if I were to add a new maintenance record, Power Automate would be triggered, and that flow would run and send an email notification to whoever is on the list as needing to receive it. And then once they get that notification with the details, they can go in and tackle the issue. Well, that wraps up our demo. I hope you found it useful, and perhaps you can implement it in your own organization. Thanks.